Unique design MKING trailer lights can install license plate and send you a free license plate light, used to illuminate your license plate at night. Distinctive from most normal trailer lights on market, trailer tail lights made by 14-gauge heavy-duty steel, protect the LED trailer light effectively. Brighter trailer tail lights function as tail lights, turn lights, brake lights and side marker light. Have brighter LED and super high visibility. It can be seen in the dark night, rainy and foggy days, improve the drive security and avoid accidents. Wider application trailer lighting. The steel box housing is design of excellent moisture-proof, sealed and definitely waterproof, bring you a different experience, let you use it more convenient. Trailer lights. Welded mount steel boxes kit suitable for trailer, RV, heavy truck, boat, bus, van, caravan, snowmobile, etc. Easy to assemble. All accessories and trailer lights are in the box. You can install according to the instructions, place in the frame, connect the corresponding line, then weld on the light box to the trailer frame. Operation is simple, only takes a few minutes. You can assemble. Complete supporting trail light kit have welded mount heavy-duty steel boxes, license plate lamp, oval red LED trailer lights, wire connector, rubber grommets. You can use it immediately upon receipt. No need for you to buy additional accessories, reducing unnecessary trouble for you. Top review from the United States.